Good morning, all of you. So now, what you have to follow means strictly follow the pattern what I am going to suggest you. So first of all, as I already told you, yesterday completely have been completed biology. Hope almost you have read everything. So now today what you have to do means first thing I am saying you after this class, after this revision class, from 8 o'clock to till 3 o'clock. So till 3 p.m. you have to completely stick with the chemistry only. So because I am saying you 16 marks from chemistry. Is it yes, guys? So more than 50% weightage around understanding from the chemistry only they are going to ask. So that is why. So around 20 to 23 or 24 questions will come from this only. So kindly all of you spend huge time for chemistry and revise each and everything from the chemistry NCERT book and as well as what we are going to study in this revision class as well as our classworks, everything. So chemistry having a lot of importance, each and everything, including the formulas, and valencies, electronic configurations, etc. All the things you should know it. Now I will say once again what is the things you have to revise mainly and as well as second reference, everything, etc. So now strictly how to follow. Now don't waste time with the revision classes, etc., etc. I hope you all understand what I am saying. Correct? So strictly how to read from 8 to 3 p.m. chemistry only. After that only physics, nothing is going to there only because I will say you what is that now. So physics only we have a light chapter as well as human eye. So human eye four questions will come and remaining 10 questions from light chapter only. So totally 14 marks only for us. So 10 marks from this, 10 marks from this and 4 marks from this will come. So 14 marks. So that is what we have. So remind nothing will be there. So that is also I will say that is what the questions will come and numericals how it will be asking everything. So next. Okay, so biology, you have to read from 3 p.m. physics, from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. today. You have to read physics completely. Then, along with the numericals also, what numericals, everything we have been done, everything. So, next, again, you have a free after 7 p.m. Again, next till next day morning. So, again, any tough concepts or biology, everything you have to plan. So strictly, if you'll follow these timings, unnecessarily, if you'll waste time with other things and all, definitely you will score 40 marks. That is what our ultimate target. We have to get centum. That is what our ultimate target. So kindly, strictly follow this. So strictly after the breakfast, everybody 8 a.m. must start the chemistry and you have to end till 3 p.m. You have to continuously read chemistry, chemistry, chemistry only. 3 chapters. You can revise 3 times also. No issues. But don't read, don't try to mug up the equations. Try to balance it, try to write it. If you'll write, definitely you will do best in the exam. That is what my suggestions, which I want to tell you. So now let us start with the physics only. So now what my first suggestion is physics. So let us analyze the questions, what is possibilities. Now again I'm saying you listen. So as we know, first 10 marks, correct? First 10 marks will come from the light. So how we have to study, that is the most important. So now if my guess is true, so first 10 marks from the light chapter only. So how they will segregate means, listen. So two ray diagrams plus two ray diagrams, questions will come from lenses and mirrors. Is it okay, guys? Mirrors and lenses, they're ray diagrams. Ray diagrams in the sense of image formation here or there. What is the statements correct about this ray diagram? Where the image will form, where the light rays will meet. And do you understand, Ra? Where is the position of the object? Where is the image of the object? Are you understand what I'm saying? So like that, ray diagrams, definitely we are going to get minimum 3 to 4 questions. Surely. Next, 2 questions you are going to get. 2 questions means 2 marks. You are going to get characteristics of the image. Characteristics and as well as applications. Surely you are going to combine these 2 marks will come. Totally 4 marks character this one. What is that? That ray diagrams as well as 2 marks characteristics and applications will come. Remaining marks over. Now remaining 4 marks you are going to get numerical. So this is what they will strictly, if my guess is true, definitely it is going to come like this only. And we people will do best if we'll follow strictly. So according to that only have to practice. Understand, Ashika, what I'm saying? So you have to strictly follow this one. That is what I'm saying. So 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. strictly everybody need to study physics only. Second preference is physics. First primary weightage is chemistry. So I know that most of you are spending more time for biology, but biology, if you spend more time also, we are going to get maximum 10 marks only. So we are not going to get more than that. So chemistry only huge weightage. So strictly follow that. So that is. So this is now remaining 10 marks over, remaining 4 marks definitely will come from the second chapter. So second chapter also, again I'm saying human eye is completely deleted and you don't bother about the extra things. They will ask 11th class or 12th class is not going to be asked. Only they know that what is the student level. So completely from that page number anybody can say. So the second chapter completely from the prism you may be start. So from the
91.
yeah, from the prism to end of that chapter, including the in-text questions. Remember, even physics numericals, if they don't want to torture you much, like in the sense of they will feel that students they want to make it simple, then in-text questions only can appear as a numericals also. So that is why please kindly don't leave any in-text questions also. This is my sincere request. Already I have given you solutions. In-text and exercise. For example, numericals you can see first chapter exercise, 9th question. Half of the lens is covered. Have you seen it, guys? Half of the lens is covered with the black paper. Then how the image characteristics will form. Do you know? Have you seen it? 9th question in our exercise. Please remember, yes or no, at least you tell me. So this is.
Yes, sir.
Like these questions, you can check it. Your exercise, it is having 9th question, if my guess is true. So 9th question exercise, if half of the lens is covered with a black paper, then what is the characteristics of the image like that they will ask. That question is there. So already I was given the solutions also. That is why each and every question in text plus exercise, each and every question you must know. Perfect answer. That is what my suggestion. Now, second chapter from the prism to end, each and every line, it will never take more than 1 hour if you are very sincerely, if you read very sincerely. So follow up it and make it everything well. This is what you have to follow till today 7 p.m. Are you clear, Padmavarshini? Now, so there is no another thing. I am saying you again. There is no another thing everybody should remember. Now, everybody, remember, everybody sign convention 100% you have to give the dedication. Nobody should commit single mistake. Mind should be like that. Then only you have to be. So that is what each and every case mind should be very effective in the sign conventions. Now starting with the mirrors. So mirrors, first mirror, what I said, whenever you are starting a spherical mirror. So first spherical mirror is what, Arun Karthikeyan? First mirror will be concave mirror. You have to remember, concave mirror is the first mirror. See, for me, how fast I will say the sign convention. You all, my students only, you all should be having the same speed. That is what I will expect. So concave mirror will be the first. Totally how many cases, Kevin? Totally how many cases, Kevin? Totally it will be the 6 cases. So remember. So now only first case. What is that case? I don't want to waste time with the ray diagrams and all. Only first case between F and
Between F and pole.
F and P alone. F and P alone. It will form what, guys? It will form virtual image. Virtual and magnified image. Virtual and magnified image. Now again I'm saying, guys, whenever now we'll merge concave mirror and as well as convex lens. What is that? Convex lens. Now, only between F and P and same way, optical center and fold F1 alone, it will form virtual and magnified image. Whenever you can see a word called as virtual and magnified image, then only case in concave mirror one case, convex lens what? Convex lens also one case. So except this case, virtual image, magnified image will never form. Is it yes or no, guys? Virtual image, magnified image will never form except this case, either F and P or optical center and F1. Is it yes or no, guys? Please respond. That is. So in this case only you have to remember. Remaining all the cases at f. What is happening, Ra? At f means image will form at infinity. Next, between f and 2f. Between f and 2f means image will form what? Where, Ra? Speak along with me how to
Beyond
proceed.
2f.
Beyond
Beyond
2f.
2f.
Beyond 2f. Everybody should speak, then confidence will come. Next, at 2f. At 2f means in this case where the image will form. Same at 2f only. The distance between image and the object. What is the distance between the image and the object, which is equals how much, guys? Zero.
Sir, for only this case, no, sir.
Only for this case, image and the object distance will become 0. Understand, Padmoshini? Next, length case, it will become to addition. We have to add both the distances. 2f plus 2f, 4f it will become. Understand, Padmoshini? Clear? Mirrors only it is. Next, beyond 2f. Beyond 2f means where it will come, Ra? Beyond 2f means between f and 2f. Between f and 2. See, still so many is not confident. Without revision, you must be. That is what. Then what is the use of studying this much? Next, at infinity, then image will form at where? At focus. Correct?
At focus.
So, remaining all the cases except this first case, remaining all the cases, the image is what, Ra? Image is real image. Correct, Ra? Real image. So be very careful, real image. Now, that is characteristics. Let me see. You should speak. I not. If you place the object at focus, characteristics of the infinity. Infinity, what is that, Ra? Real, speak. Real, highly magnified. Is it yes or no, guys? Highly magnified. Next. Between f and 2f, beyond 2f, here also real and magnified image. Is it yes or no, guys? That is. Next, 2f. What is that? Real and
same size as the object.
Yes or no? Same size. What happened to others? You have to give a it is like a competition. You should speak first like that. Next, beyond 2f, image will form between f and 2f. So f is equal
real
to
and diminished.
Yes, real and diminished image. Next, at the infinity, it is real and highly diminished image. Highly diminished image. That is what you have to understand. Clear, guys, everybody? Yes, please respond. Now, that is what I am suggesting. So always now I am going to make you one image also. So imagine this is the concave mirror. Concave mirror. Now, my suggestion is between f and p. What is that? Between f and p alone, virtual image will form. Between f and p alone, what will happen, Ra? Virtual image will form. Virtual image. Now, what I am going to suggest you is from the f, observe very carefully, guys. If you are keep on moving away from the object, observe very carefully. So, object is moving like this, so that image will come like this direction. Do you understand, everybody? Image, object is moving away from the mirror, then the image size is reducing. Have you noticed it, Ra? Please respond me. Are you clear? Object is going to the infinity distance, then image size is reducing. Have you noticed it? If object will reach us to infinity, then what will happen? Image will form at the focus and highly diminished image. What is that? Highly diminished image. That is what you have to remember that. So if object is moving like this, then image will move coming towards to the mirror and the size of the image is keep on decreases. Are you clear, everybody? Please respond. This is the most important thing. Kevin, now.
Sir, this is in the case of lenses also, no, sir?
In case of lenses also. In case of lenses also. Same. Which lens? Only convex lens. Clear? Only convex.
Okay, sir.
Understand, Ashika? Any doubt, freely, please communicate.
So
Now,
concave mirror and convex lens, or only this?
yes, concave mirror and convex lens from F, but their real image will form this side. Sign conventions very careful. Padmarshini, are you clear? Varshini, Arvind. So now in the mirrors real image will form at this coordinate, third coordinate. So that is what I am saying. Now this is the first coordinate. So in mirrors you have to always concern about first and third. So this is the object position. Object position is always second coordinate. Okay, guys. So now first and third is only for image positions in the mirrors. So always virtual and magnified. Which case, Ra? Akhil Arfan. Virtual and magnified. Jesse. No answer. Virtual and magnified image. Which case? Between F and P.
Between F and pole.
Between F and P, that is virtual and magnified image. That is also which mirror? Which mirror, guys? It is concave.
Concave mirror.
Concave mirror. That's all. Mind should say this all the things very fastly. Then only you can. Absentees, you can please inform them. If not, they are going to lose a lot of things. So again, it is not possible to get. So now, sign conventions again I'm saying. Now, convex mirror. Whenever you will see a convex mirror, kindly again I'm saying, convex mirror, only one case. Wherever you can place the object in front of the mirror, always image will form behind the mirror and always diminished in size. Virtual and diminished. What is that? Virtual and diminished. Virtual and diminished only possible by convex mirror as well as what? Concave lens. Understand everybody? Convex mirror and concave lens, always virtual image. But concave lens, where the image will form, guys? This side it will form. Are you clear? Are you understand everybody? So concave lens, this side only it will form. Convex lens, virtual image will form in the first coordinate. Are you clear? Please respond me. Nitish?
Sir.
That is. So
Sir.
convex mirror, concave lens, completely virtual and always diminished. Doesn't matter wherever you can place the object. So always it is the only case, it is virtual image. That's all you have to remember it. Understand everybody? Now same cases. Once again I'm saying, please kindly remember, instead of by-hearting ray diagrams, no need of by-hearting ray diagrams now. We think we should know characteristics where they will merge, at which point they will meet the light rays. That is what we want. So now mirrors. So I'm saying spherical mirrors now. Spherical mirrors, where we will place the object, guys? This is the position of object. Is it yes or no? So object is placed right here. This is what you have to remember. For commonly, I am saying the sign convention. Object, mirrors. Remember. So mirrors, object is always placed at the first coordinate. Second coordinate. So object distance is always negative. Object distance is always what?
Negative.
Always negative. Kindly remember. Now, in case of mirrors, understand, virtual image will form behind the mirror. Whenever you will see a word called as behind, then it is virtual only in case of mirrors. Understand, Ra? So virtual image is forming at first coordinate. So V is always what, Ra? V is always positive if it is
Positive.
Understand everybody? V is always positive if it is a virtual image. Next, real image will form at which coordinate, guys? Real image will form at always third coordinate. So always real image V is equals to what? Negative only. Understand, guys? Next, height of the object. Height of the object is always positive. If it is virtual, height of the image is positive. Understand, Ra? If it is real, height of the image is what, Ra? If it is real, height of the image is inverted. Inverted means it is negative. Are you clear, Arvind? Any doubt, Arvind? Clear?
No,
Just
sir.
that is inverted. Whenever you can see a inverted word called as negative only. Whenever you will see a word called as screen, what I said, Ra? Screen. What I
Real.
said? It is a
Real.
real image. Real. So height of the image is always negative. Whenever you will see projectors, remember projectors, camera, lenses, etc. Understanding for photo lens, etc. Everything it is real image only. What is that? It is all real image only. So in these cases, what you have to assume? Everything convex lens. What is that? Convex lens. Remember screen, projectors, understanding camera, photo lens, etc. Everything is convex lens. Are you understand, guys? Please
The
respond.
concave mirror, it won't come, sir.
Mirror won't come. Projectors and all mirrors not possible. Only lenses we can see. Understand, Padmashini?
If screen means for only screen is not possible for mirror, sir.
Okay. Screen means both it will come. Understand, Karthikeyan, Nitinath? Screen means both it will come. Okay, guys. Screen means always real. Mind should say that. That is how to remember it. Understand, Ra? This is regarding mirrors. Now coming to the lenses. Be very careful.
Only screen we have to use both convex lens and concave mirror.
Yes, convex lens and concave mirror, both screen. Understand, Rashika?
Okay.
Okay. Now, coming to the lenses, again I'm saying lenses, object distance. Object is placed here only. So what is the object distance? You should say our object distance is what always? Negative.
Negative.
And the height of the object is always positive.
Positive.
Virtual image, where it will form? First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. In the case of lenses, Arun Karthikeyan will say, virtual image, where it will form, guys? In the case of lenses, virtual image also
Second,
will
sir.
form the same coordinate. So virtual image is also what? In the case of lenses, virtual image also, it is what? Negative only. Do you understand, everybody? And the height of the image is always positive. Height of the virtual image is always positive. But in the lenses, it is opposite to the mirrors. Akhil, are you clear, Akhil? Bhumika, any doubt? You can answer. Understand? So virtual image is negative. Image distance is negative, but height of the image is always positive. Remember that. Now, real image, what, guys? Real image will form at fourth coordinate. So image distance is positive. Image distance is positive, but height of the image is what? Height of the image is what? Negative only. Understand, guys? This is in the case of real. Be very careful. That is what I will suggest. Next, whenever you will see a concave, doesn't matter, mirror or lens. Mirror or lens, doesn't matter. What is the focal length? Focal length is what? Always negative. Please remember, always negative. Concave mirror or concave lens, doesn't matter. Focal length is what, guys? Focal length is negative. Next, same way, convex mirror and convex lens, always focal length is what? Focal length is positive. Kindly remember. Next, doesn't matter mirror or lens. Mirror or lens doesn't matter. Understand? So if it is a virtual image, magnification is always positive. Magnification is always positive. Virtual, it is magnified or diminished, it doesn't matter. Virtual. See, virtual only how many cases, Ra? One case, first case. Concave mirror between F and P. Yes or no, guys? Next, convex lens, optical lens and F1. Remaining, complete convex mirror. Next or no? Next, complete concave lens. This is the only cases for virtual image. Is it yes or no, guys? In this both the cases, diminished image. In this both the cases, what is happening, Ra? Virtual, highly magnified image. Is it yes, guys? Nobody will answer. You have to be before me. Virtual and magnified in these two cases, that is concave mirror and convex lens. Remaining, convex mirror and concave lens, completely diminished and virtual. Is it okay, Ra? Karthikeyan? Yes or no, yaar? That is
Yes,
your...
sir.
Still so many not joined. Anushree, Madhumita, lot of students are there. Please inform them. That is what. Any doubt you can ask me. Kevin, are you clear, Kevin? Virtual means magnification is always positive. If it is greater than 1 or less than 1, you have to decide. Okay. Next one. Real. Whenever you can see real image, then what is the magnification, guys? Magnification
Negative.
is negative. Always negative. If it is greater than 1 or less than 1, we have to decide based upon the case. But whenever you can see a real image, this is the main mistake we people will do, committing mistake. M is equals to always negative. You have to take negative. Whenever you see a question, magnification of a projector, magnification of a lens, screen, etc., then you have to take it as a negative. That is what you have to remember. Now, my sincere request, magnification formula, those who are using general formula for mirrors, keep minus of V by U, and lenses, M is equals to V by U. And what is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. And what is the lens formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. That is what is the formula. But what I suggest, guys, are you supposed to use these formulas? If you use the formula, then what will happen? It will lead to lot of time waste for us. That is why we'll go with the mirrors. Those who are new, please don't try. If it is unless until except practice, you people cannot. So mirrors, we have a formula, direct formula. Magnification is equals to what? First formula. In case
F
F-
by F plus F minus U.
F divided by F minus U. So now here,
Minus U.
if it is concave mirror, then F will become what? Concave mirror. This is
Minus,
Minus,
sir.
sir.
Minus.
Negative,
Minus.
sir.
if it is F. If it is concave mirror, F is minus. Again, you remember, this minus is not for object distance. This minus is for what? Mathematical operation. Object distance, again, you have to consider what, guys, here? Again, you have to
Minus.
Minus, negative.
Mind should be very careful. If it is a real image, magnification is what? Minus you have to consider. Are you understand? Magnification you have to consider minus only. If it is M, real image. Next, in case of F and V, then what is the formula? Magnification M is equals to, what is that? F minus
Minus V by F.
divided by F.
F.
Yes, that is. So these formulas only we are supposed to use 3 to 7 p.m., 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. We at least 1 hour you have to spend for numerical. No tough numerical going to give you. Don't bother about anything. 100% you are going to get the answer, but perfectly how to solve. That is each and every sign convention we have to be thorough with that. Next, lenses if will come, what is the formula? Magnification is equals to F divided
F by F plus U.
plus U. Now here again, if it is a concave lens, then we have to consider F is minus, and
Minus.
after distance is what will become, guys, always here
Minus, sir.
plus
Negative.
into minus always will come, it will come minus with next step, because it is plus here, but after distance we have to substitute what? We have to substitute
Minus.
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 That is what we remember. Now same way, this is for what? F and U given. Next one, F and V given. Then what is the formula?
F minus V by F.
F minus V divided by F. No confusion at all. Are you clear, everybody? That is what you have to remember. Now, as I said, your answer is verify correct or not. Exam itself you can understand. What is that? Whenever you can come to know F, then immediately what you should write, Jesse? What I said, Bhumika? Immediately you must
2F.
write 2F. Mind itself you have to assume. Understand? Whenever you can come to know F, mind itself, what you have to do, guys? You have to do, Elmati, are you there? You have to write 2F. Understand, Tarani? Whenever you can come to know F, immediately you have to write the 2F. 2F, if you know what you have to do, next step, you have to analyze the which case it is possible. Then we can know the sign convention. Yes or no, guys? When whatever the sign convention, if you know the case, you can understand the sign convention. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. That is, somebody called to Pranav, Arya and Dina. These 3 fellows should need to join immediately. And Anusri also. Please, chemistry will start. Before chemistry, they have to. So F1 to F. Whenever you can come to know F1 to F, immediately you can analyze the case. That is what I am suggesting. Always you must, whenever you know F, mind you have to imagine to F. Then you can 100% you can verify the answer. Is it okay, Arvind? Kevin? Padmavashini? Yes, that is.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, and if any other is missing, you can call them. Arya, that is all. So that is what you have to remember. Now, next, second chapter. Again, I am saying second
Sir,
chapter.
one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, power is there, no, sir. For
Power.
in diopter means meter, sir.
Yes. Now, dioptry means it is in meter. That is also I am saying. See, power of the lens is equals to, directly take the formula 100 divided by F. So no need to convert of centimeters. Do you understand, everybody? No need of converting centimeters. Is it okay, Padmavashini? When they have given F, directly you can substitute it. Already we are doing 100. Understand? 100 divided by F. But F is, remember again, power is negative for concave and power is positive for convex. Are you clear? Power is negative for concave, power is positive for convex. Okay, guys? Clear, everybody? So,
Yes, sir.
already dioptries means already focal length will come in meters only. If final answer is in centimeter, at final you can multiply with that. If not, you can directly substitute in meters itself. Understand, Amma? No confusion at all. No second thought. Mind always you remember the same thing. Is it okay, everybody?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is. So now here also, already we are multiplying with that power. Be very careful and you have to solve it. That is what I will suggest always. Okay, guys? Clear everybody? Any doubt you can ask me. So that is what. So power P is equals to, you can remember this formula also, 1 by F. But F should be, while you are substituting F must be in what? F must be in meters only, not centimeter. That is why we will take it as a 100 by F. Okay, guys? Be very careful, slowly how to solve. No tension in the exam. If you are very confident, surely you are going to get 40 marks. That is what I want. That is you have to remember. Second chapter, from the prism to end. Our notes you have to follow. Which is having, can you please teach the real depth and apparent depth? It's okay, Asika. So now prism case, nobody should waste the time to understand. Okay, guys. So prism case completely how to follow up. What is that? Which is having maximum deviation, which is having minimum deviation. So same image, if you make ulta also, the image will come same thing. Is it yes or no, guys? So it is the image. So prism case, which is having maximum, minimum deviation. So red and violet, remember always VIBGYOR. Keep on going down, wavelength decreases. Keep on coming up, wavelength increases. Now keep on going down, bending of light, maximum deviation. You keep on coming up, minimum deviation. Is it okay, guys? Going down, maximum deviation. Coming down, minimum deviation. And also prism case, that what is that? Angle I plus angle E, which is equals to what? Angle of prism plus
Angle of prism plus angle of deviation.
this formula also please learn. And angle of refraction plus R1 plus R2, which is equals to what?
Angle of prism.
So that these two things you please remember. Now, as we will go, this meeting and before ending this meeting, we'll go to refractive index. I will say you also just wait. Now, how fast you have to remember and how effectively you have to remember sign convention. One question I will say. So now let me see somebody. Tarani, can you unmute and you can ask me any case sign convention. One case, just only one case, please fastly. Any case. Anything.
Sir, beyond 2F.
Yes.
Beyond 2F, sir.
Beyond 2F for which
Beyond 2F.
mirror or lens? Which mirror, which lens?
Mirror,
Which concave mirror?
no, sir, mirror beyond,
What?
mirror beyond F, concave.
Yeah. Concave
Concave mirror,
mirror beyond F. So what is the sign convention, guys? Object is at beyond 2F. Beyond F or 2F, Amma?
beyond F, sir, beyond F.
Beyond F means between F and 2F. You cannot say beyond F. Between F and 2F. Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
between F and 2F. So between F and 2F, image will form what, guys? I can say sign convention.
Beyond 2F.
Object is equals to minus. Real image is only
Negative.
minus. Now magnification is also minus. Height of
Minus.
the object is positive. Height of
Positive. Height of the image is negative.
now even I can say magnification is greater than 1. Right or wrong? You can. Yes,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Magnified image.
Magnification is greater than 1. It is magnified image. Minus it is. Are you understand, Karthikeyan? Like that, see, whenever you know the case, you must able to know all the sign conventions. Pravasini, are you clear? Kevin, any doubt you can ask me. Like that you have to be. Like that always you have to be studying. That is what I am saying. 4 marks you will get from the ray diagrams. 4 marks including refractive index plus lenses plus mirrors. 4 marks, 8 marks and 2 marks you are going to get again from the characteristics of the images. This is what you are going to get. 4 marks from the ray diagrams, 4 marks numericals including refractive index, and refractive index 1 question 100% damn sure will come, and 2 questions you are going to get characteristics of the image. Totally you are going to 10 marks. Next, second chapter, once again I am saying line to line you people need to read. I am saying you once again completely. This is what it is. Now meeting is going to end. You rejoin fastly, all of you. We will go with the refractive index. Later I will say chemistry main things. That's all. Please join fastly, all of you. Don't delay much. Fastly join.